it's Cardi. Ayy. See, I'm the shit. They can fuck with me if they wanted to. Say, little bitch, you can't fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick cut. Also, don't get comfortable. Look, I don't gotta dance, I make money moves. Ayy, so I don't gotta dance, I make money moves. If I see you, I don't speak. That means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you're a worker, bitch. I make better moves. Hello, welcome back to my channel, my broken beauties. Thank you for stopping by. This is your girl. Okay, we're gonna redo that. Hello, welcome back to my channel, my broken beauty. If you haven't already, you're gonna see my cover of Cardi B, Bodak Yellow. I just got done doing a cover on, and I'm not planning to do the whole thing because rapping is not for me. So I like to sing more. But anyways, check it out if you haven't already, or stay tuned to that because it's going to be in this clip. And I'm going to be doing a review on, guess what I found at your local Walmart store. Me standing in line. I got a pillow for my son because he wanted that. And yes, we were like waiting in line because, you know, the line is really long, especially in Walmart. It's just really long. I don't know why. But anyways, I was standing in line in Walmart, and then I found, guess what I found, you guys? Okay, I'm just going to tell you guys. Alright, so this is what I found. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Can I get a drum roll? Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh. Your Rap Cardi B chips. Rap Snack. Oh my god, seriously. This is the back, okay? You guys, I'm going to save this because Cardi B is one of my inspirational rapper and my one of my artist icon. But look at this. She wrote like something really cute here. I didn't even look at it yet. The calories is about 13 chips per serving. Calories like 400 calories. Anyways, the flavor is cheddar barbecue, okay? Cheddar barbecue. This is so sick, y'all. This is like perfect for my cover, okay? And this thing was like $1.49 around there. Don't quote me on that. It was around that price. All right. So while I'm eating my Rap Snack chips, all right, you gotta have a little bit of swag when you're eating the Rap Cardi B snack chips, okay? Yeah, look at that. Let me try to imitate that. Okay, I'm not good at this, but let's do this. Hold on. Am I doing it right? Y'all should do a meme of me, okay? I'm gonna have my kids try it out too, but I'm gonna try it out first, okay? All right. Let's do this. That cover was, I did like, I don't know how many times. I did it so much. And y'all want to see my outfit? I don't know if you guys can see it. Anyways, it's okay. It will be shown one day, okay? But anyways, this is my accessory for the cover video. My look. Okay, and I have like a red tube top, if y'all can see. It's also a mid-length pencil skirt. Okay, all right, so we going to eat this snack. I'm gonna take this off. This is kind of too much. It is too much. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it and smell it, okay? I like to do a smell review, so y'all, you know, this is making me so excited. You know what? This is so cute. I didn't see this. There's a little message here. It says, "Stay true to who you are." Oh my God, Cardi B. If you're watching this, thank you. This was a message from you. I am totally going to be me, Dara. Hey. Okay. Don't tell my mother-in-law I act like this. This is on the down low, okay? I'm supposed to be proper and adequate and elegant. Just playing. You can be whatever you want, okay? Ain't nobody got to judge you as long as you're not harming anybody and you're just being you. All right. So, let's open this. Oh my God, girl. This chip smells better than in my opinion, better than the barbecue Lay's chip. Let's see how it tastes like. It smells like fresh peeled potato, okay, that's been fried and air fried. Ooh, you got some big size here, girl. You see that? That's like almost my whole cheek. This is good. Good job, Cardi B. Good job. Or whoever made this chip. Amazing. Beautiful size, okay? Oh, my mouth is watery already. I mean, I'm full, but let's taste this. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can fit this in my mouth, you guys. Okay. First, we're going to do it like, yeah, we're not going to even try to imitate how Cardi B eats because I haven't seen her eat chips. But my mouth is watering right now, and let's go ahead and taste this. Hello? Where have you been all my life? Hello? Oh, girl, this is so good. This is like the bombest cheddar barbecue chip ever. Hello? Hello? I can't stop saying hello. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I've been looking and searching for you all my life. Oh. Oh my God, that was amazing. This chip can really make me inspired to sing too, girls. It may not happen for you, but dang, look at this. Look at this. That's big, girl. And it fits my mouth. One more time. Hit me, baby, one more time. Okay, y'all, I gotta stop. Because if I eat it all, my kids can't try it out. Let me go get them. I'll be back. Kids! Oh my gosh, you guys! Yeah. Wait, let's pretend Cardi's right here. Hey, Cardi. How you doing? You know, you so cool. Yeah. Have an awesome day. Okay, my son's back here. Your hair's still kind of sticking out. Oh, well. Is that how you want your hair?
Yeah, I've been like this.
Okay. All right, so we're going to have lamps. Try Cardi B's Rap Snack chip. Okay.
Why won't you do you?
I did. It was so good, dude. Okay, so give me your honest opinion about how you think.
Eat it?
Yeah, eat it.
Normal.
You think it's a normal chip?
Hmm?
Does it taste good or not good? Like, you have to give us details. Okay,
Sweet.
maybe you need to eat more.
No.
Yes, you need to eat 2-3 more. Because I really like it. Tastes good?
Yeah.
You know what's the flavor?
Barbecue?
And cheddar cheese.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, so you like it a lot? 1 through 10. 10 being a lot.
I'll say 10.
Wow. Okay, good. Okay, peace. Here comes dun, 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 Mr. Colin. Colin, try out my favorite rapper's chip. It's called the Rap Snack chip. Or yeah, Cardi B chip. Okay, you're gonna tell them, finish your whole chip and tell them how you think and feel about this chip, and 1 through 10, 10 being the best, how good it tastes. No more?
No.
Okay, what do you think it tastes like?
Cheesy and good.
1 through 10.
10.
Wow, give me 5. Woohoo! Cardi B, your chip is good. Okay.
Anna's sleeping.
Can you tell Anna wake up?
Okay.
Let's see if she can wake up. If she can't wake up, don't make her cry.
No.
Okay, never mind. She's sleeping. Yeah, my baby girl. Yeah, my baby girl is sleeping, so she cannot try this, but I think she will love it. But next time. Damn, Cardi. Cardi, you just keep it coming with those hits and those chips, girl. Oh my God, I rhyme. Dang, it must be from the chips, eh? Cardi B, you know who I be. You know where I'm at. Store, I can get them both. Paste, you guys. If you guys haven't already, check out Cardi B, Bodak Yellow song, and her chips. It's so good. You can get that at your local Walmart store. Sorry if I have stuff on my teeth. That's a part of having braces. And peace, y'all. Peace. Damn, this is so good, but I gotta save this for my boo and my little daughter. Good size. Yeah. Peace. Peace, y'all. Peace. Hello, welcome back to my channels, my broken beauties. As you can see, I just got done filming. Oh, I'm so out of breath.
It's Cardi, ayy. See, I'm the shit, they can fuck with me if they wanted to. Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut it off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't gotta dance, I make money moves, ayy. So I don't gotta dance, I make money moves. If I see you out on speed, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you're a worker, bitch. I make money moves. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's Cardi, ayy. See, I'm the shit, they can fuck with me if they wanted to. Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut it off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't gotta dance, I make money moves, ayy. So I don't gotta dance, I make money moves. If I see you out on speed, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you're a worker, bitch. I make money moves. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's Cardi, ayy. See, I'm the shit, they can fuck with me if they wanted to, wanted to. Say little bitch, it's Cardi, ayy. Say I'm the shit, they can fuck with me if they wanted to, wanted to. It's Cardi, ayy. Say I'm the shit, they can fuck with me if they wanted to, wanted to. Say little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut it off so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't gotta dance, I make money moves, ayy. So I don't gotta dance, I make money moves. If I see you, I don't speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you're a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Broken to Be You. I would greatly appreciate it. Have a blessed day.